Yeah. So, as you know, the pandemic has really hit home for a lot of businesses. Because I was fully remote, actually, most of my team members were socially getting together once a month prior to this. And every quarter, every semi annual, everyone would get together on a corporate level to do some team build activities or whatnot. For me, that kind of went away during this pandemic. So we then focused more heavily on digital aspects to really bring everyone inclusive, right? And collaboration and team build. So a couple things that we incorporated was workshops monthly to educate and inform more on not just business topics and processes, systems, and new tools and software, et cetera, but more personal agendas like goal setting, habits, you know, whatever it may be, personal in terms of financial or experience, whatever it may be, so that it was more open to all the staff, and we would have a survey on which one people wanted to talk about, and we would go deeper on that specific topic. Then it was more about, okay, certain months I would be open to everyone, because as a founder and owner, you go through a lot of different experiences. You're very decisive. You go through a lot more challenges than a potential employee of yours. And therefore, you have a little bit more experience, and your perspective is swayed, and they value your perspective because they really put you higher up than they are, right? Because they aspire to be like you. So when it becomes the ask me anything moments, every couple months with my team, it was really about trying to give value to my employees, because everyone has different moments in their lives. They have children, death happens, family obligations, or they're buying their first home, or they're experiencing something traumatic, or for them, it's a huge life event. And you've probably gone through it. So you can bring that perspective into the table. And not only are you giving them insight based on what happened in your life and how you overcame the situation, but then you open it up to other people in the higher company that are different stages and walks of lives, that they will share their stories and experience. So it brings everyone closer by making sure that this is fun, right? Like, people look forward to these monthly calls because it gives everyone a chance to share their vulnerabilities, share their openness, where we're all in it together and we fully support each other's on whatever journey and whatever their goals and vision is. I want to make sure that I'm adding value in people's lives every single day who are invested in the same goals and vision that we have built as an agency.